Good day everyone, I am Sir Crisly. So in this video, we're going to have an experiment that you can do at home. This experiment will enable you to understand light dispersion using visible light. So what is light dispersion? It is the property of light that when it passes through a certain prism, it produces different bands of colors. So in our case that we do not have prism, instead we're going to use available materials at home. So what are the objectives of this experiment? Number one, observe the light dispersion property. And number two, understand that light spectrum ranges from red to violet. So what are the materials needed? We will need bond papers, clear glass, a flashlight, and a clear bowl with water. We're going to have two sets of experiment. So in the first experiment, we will just use clear glass to observe the light dispersion property. And on the second experiment, we're going to use the clear bowl with water to observe the light dispersion property. So let us proceed to the experiment. Remember that we must be inside a dark room for us to observe the light dispersion. So let us now turn off the light. Now, using the flashlight and the clear glass, we will just angle it and point the flashlight towards the bottom of the clear glass. And we will just do trial and error, angling it out and moving the flashlight for us to get our desired outcome. So in this case, we can now observe that light disperses different bands of colors from red to violet. So let us now proceed to the second experiment. Still, using the flashlight and a clear bowl of water, we're going to observe the light dispersion. Same thing with our first experiment. We will just angle the flashlight towards the clear bowl of water for us to get our desired outcome. You can move the flashlight from left to right for you to observe the dispersion of light. So at this moment, you can observe that our light spectrum ranges from red to violet. To sum up our experiment, we were able to observe that light disperses through a clear glass and a clear bowl with water. We also observed that light spectrum ranges from red to violet. So I hope that you learned something from this experiment. See you again next time. Thank you.